Welcome to Module 9 of our CapCut video editing series for beginners. In this module, I'll be showing you how to add sound or music to your projects right in CapCut. There are two ways to go about it. First of all, CapCut has its own audio library. So all you need to do is just come to where you have audio. Right here, this is the audio tab, and then it's going to give you a plethora of music options. Right? If you have a particular song or genre you have in mind, you can of course even use the search bar here to type whatever song you want. By the left hand side there, you have different genres. You have vlog, hits, reggaeton, beauty, whatever. All right, you have a couple of, you can also filter your options using this genre, these options by the left hand side. Right, so let's say I want to add, vlog music. Okay, now this music, these songs or sound that has this purple icon here, they are pro audio or they are pro music, so you need to be on the pro plan to be able to use them, right? But you can search for the ones that are free to use. So let's just go through this option. Right, okay, so this is one of the free ones. I'm going to click this. So once the file has loaded, you can even preview it right here by clicking this play button. Okay, so if it matches what you want, all you need to do now is to come here and click this plus icon to add it to your project. Now, stick around to the very end of this video because I'll be showing you another method that will enable you to add music to your project. Right, so now right here, you can see that the background, when you look at the what they call it now, the timeline, you see that the soundtrack, the music is really loud. So what I need to do, I can click on it right here and just reduce the volume like this so that it doesn't overshadow the talking head audio. I can reduce it like this, right? Now, another method that I can use to reduce the audio is right here where I have under your basic tab, you come to volume right here and you can reduce it or increase it. I think this is even better, so I can just reduce like this. Let's take a listen. And it is no longer news that the auto captions feature on CapCut. So I think it's still loud, so let's reduce it further because you don't want your background music to overshadow your talking head video. CapCut is no longer free, so if you want to add, it's better, but let's think and go further. Captions to your videos, you need to be on the pro plan. But in this video, I'm going to show you. All right, so I think it's cool now. So this is the first method. Now the second method that you can use to add, that can enable you to add music to your project in CapCut is just simply to come back to your media tab right here, and then you go to where you have import. Right, so with this method, you can add any soundtrack from your device, right? So now ensure that these audios you are using, they are copyrighted, they are non-copyrighted videos, or if you are using copyrighted audios, ensure you have the license to use them. Right, so I'm just going to add any of this audio files. Now I'm going to mute it because I think this is a copyrighted sound, so I'm going to mute it so that it doesn't, so that YouTube doesn't flag this video for copyright. So I'm going to mute it. Right, so once you add it, you can also reduce the volume as well. Okay, so if you don't want to use CapCut audio, the audio library, music from CapCut audio library, you can go ahead and of course add your own sound as well. Now another thing right here is that you can add some sound effects. Let's say I want to add this whoosh sound or other similar effects. I just come back to my audio tab and I go to sound effects. Now these are different sound effects, and of course they have the pro sound effect and the free one, so just look for the ones that are free to use. Okay, so you can also search. So let's say I want to search for a shutter sound, camera shutter sound. I hit enter. Okay, now you see that you have a couple of shutter sounds. We have the pro and we have the free, so you can preview the sound, okay, by clicking these tabs. Right, let's see this one. Okay, so if you are cool with anyone, just of course click this plus icon to insert it into your project, and you can adjust it to whatever, to match where you want it to be in a clip and all that. So this is how you can add music or sound effects to your project in CapCut. So if you found this useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more of this CapCut video editing series for beginners. Now, once again, I have an entire playlist of CapCut videos for beginners on this channel. I'll leave the link to that playlist in the comment section as a pinned comment, so go ahead and check it out.